Hello everyone, so let's talk about the Neo coin that I shared last month with you. And so Neo is an open source blockchain decentralized application platform founded in 2014 and also is referred as Ethereum of China. It's a blockchain platform that enables the development of digital assets and smart contracts. So it's a really nice platform to invest, and also besides that we also had some nice price movement here on the charts where we entered around this level. So we bought at $16. The reason that we bought Neo was because of this resistance zone that has been broken to the upside first. Then after the retest we bought it, and this became a support area. My take profit target are for the long term, potentially can be midterm for this TP1, but for TP2 I might think maybe the next two months, or maybe the next month it can be. In daily time frames, if we look, we can see that today we had a nice push to the upside from Neo, and currently we are around 20% in profit. If you need, take some profit, but if you are okay to hold with this, then I would suggest for you to hold at least to our take profit 1, and here you can take 50% of your profit if you want, or you can close 100% if you don't want to hold for a longer time for TP2 and TP3. If you're okay with holding, which is the best thing, then yes, you can hold. Now on weekly time frame, we had price breaking to the downside, pushing and pushing. Then on 2023 January, price started to push to the upside. It started to push, and this resistance zone was holding, so it went again to the downside. Then it had another go on 2023 at the end of 2023, and once we entered on February 2024, price pushed to the upside and break this major resistance. So for that reason I was looking, okay, let me just wait for a retest and then buy Neo. So technical analysis is super good. Also the coin, the project is amazing, and for that reason we are going to hold this one for the long term. And for what I can see from here, I'm expecting for this week, it can be also the next week, but probably this week we are going to hit TP1. So I will constantly be updating you for this coin. And on TP1, make sure that you take some profit, because it's 50%. It's not that bad. Take 50% of the profit, then hold the rest for TP2, which is 180%. So thanks a lot for watching. Just remember that we are going to create a new trend line on this coin, and I'm thinking probably something like this, where it can come on TP1, then reject again, and then push to TP2. So this is going to take some time, but we can have some really nice profit from this one, because all-time high from this coin is at $197 and we are buying it at $16. So if you really want to hold this one, it's a nice project, and I really suggest you to hold. If you want, just leave it, this one here, leave it for like 6 months, and then when you watch it after 6 months, I will think that we are going to be around this level over here, because once the price breaks this one, now we are going to see a super fast move to TP1. We are going to struggle probably on TP1, but once we push to TP2, we are going to see super fast move, and this can be something like, who knows, maybe something like Solana in the future. You can see that in the previous years, 2020, it was the same like this. You can see There is absolutely no different at all. It had a push, coming back, had pushed, coming back, had pushed, coming back for retest, push, coming back, had push, coming back, had push, retest. So this big move that happened over here, so let's think that we are in the big move right now. Now this big move that happened over here, it happened for around 6 months. From January 2021 to August 2021. So yeah, I really suggest that if you want, you just hold this pair, hold this position if you are already in, and hold for the long term. You can take 10-20% on TP1 and TP2, but if you want to hold, I really do think that we are going to get around $100 on this one in the future. So personally for me, I'm going to hold it. And thanks a lot for watching this video, and if you need something, don't forget to message me. I will link my tag down here. Thanks a lot, team, and see you.